I'm Hannah. Welcome back to Allie and I's new product spotlight video.
We have a number of things to share with you today and show you all the new goodies, actually only a fraction of the new goodies that are coming here to PotomacBeads.
So some of the new products that we've received on our warehouse floor are some new kits. You may have seen these before in your kit subscription boxes, but we have the Frozen Beauty necklace, the simple bezeled Rivoli earrings, and then the over and under and pearl bracelet.
One thing to realize with a lot of these different patterns and with the different kits are that some of them will be in the subscription box for the kit box. So this month you had the over and under bracelet as well as the Frozen Beauty necklace, which I am modeling. And those were both $60 and $50 kits. If you get the subscription, even if you just subscribe for one, it's $60. So basically you're getting a kit for free. So keep that in mind. So again, the Frozen Beauty and the under over pearl bracelet were the March designs. And then also we added to our kit collection the simple bezeled Rivoli earrings. And you get 2 of those in the kit. So you're learning how to go in and to bezel these, and it's really fun to see kind of the color mix. You're going to be using Delica beads as well as some 15 OC beads. And Hannah's got the little samples there. Show us what you got, Hannah. Nice neutral colors, so if you want to go, you can do it all one in black, all one in white. You can mix up the colors and really have fun learning how to bezel while getting really, really awesome, I think I could wear them every day, earrings as well.
So another new product that we've received in our warehouse is the extra large bead on it sorter.
Yay!
Yay! So happy to have these back.
So we have this one here that has 14 different slots. So we have the regular 7 slot that you may be familiar with. This one we went bigger. So it goes A through N in case you have your pattern design. And there's some really cool features with this one. So I'll play Vanna White and I'll open it up. It has more locks than the previous box because it's a little bit wider. So you have the locks in the front, and then you also have side locks that you'll be working on. You can see the different numbers in there as well. And then Hannah, show us the really cool addition for this one.
The really cool addition is that you can pull this blue part up and grab this piece under it. And if you're traveling anywhere on an airplane or in the car, you can just go ahead and sit that on top and it holds all your beads together for you.
Perfect. So we included in this one because we really appreciate your product feedback. So make sure to comment below. And if you want any of these, remember the links to the featured what's new is going to be in the description here. But we heard your cries. We like to hear back from you and decided that the mat on top was a great addition because that way you can travel and your beads won't move around. So you can keep it on the bottom if you want to be able to use your mat while it's in the board. If you want to put it on your bead on it board, you can simply take it out. But that extra little bead mat, which you can use as a bead mat or simply as that kind of memory foam to go right on top there, close it up and hold your beads in place. Super excited about the 14 because the 7 is great. I'm really excited about this extra feature.
Yep.
The next products that we have featured are some of our collections. So we've been putting a lot of the unique beads kind of into collections that you're getting multiples. So we have the pellets and we have the 2-hole lentils here. And just to show you kind of the mixes of colors that you can see that you're going to be getting. They'll come in a bag all together and you're getting 8 tubes of both of these. So whether or not you want to use them just for simple stringing, that you could take like 2 pieces of stretchy string through, or pellets, they stay a little funky. Actually, let me take the pellets out. And they group up really fun. They'll sit almost like dog bones, one inside the other, that you can stack them. So they can almost stack like linking logs as you use them. And they're great for texture and a design as well. In addition to the bead collections, what other collections do we have too that we are new?
We have some new Rivoli collections and some new Potomac Crystal Heart collections.
Cool. And let's pick some of these out. The heart collections, they are going to be nice neutral colors. And you're getting how many? Do you remember?
You're getting 60 in a pack, so you're getting 6 packs of 10.
And it's going to be 14 millimeter and 10 millimeter hearts. So you get 2. They have a hole going straight down through the middle. And you can use them as earrings. This is a really great deal because we saw it was like $12.50 for 60 of them. This is an endless supply of earrings. or little pieces to hang down on a necklace as well. You could even use them in something like this frozen
Right,
branch,
yeah.
stringing them on, grabbing on that little addition. And also with hearts, if you hold them upside down, they kind of look like flower drops too. So you can kind of change up the design. So 60 of those in this heart collection. And then what collection you got?
And then we got the Rivoli Collection, and I believe that was a 20-pack of Rivoli, so 2 packs of 10.
Yep. Or 10. Yes, 10
Yes.
packs of 2. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Now. 10 packs of 2. And these are all 14 millimeter
Mhm.
Rivolis. So if you get the kit for making those nice, simple ones here, you can go in and actually purchase more. You're going to have extra supplies as well.
Mhm.
But this will give you a nice color variety and
Yeah.
range of beads to use to make a lot of those simple bezeled earrings.
And some other new fun collections that we've gotten in the warehouse is this fun, what's it called? The Czech Glass Faceted Round Neon Collection, and it comes in 4, 6, and 8 millimeters. We got a fun green, pink, and yellow.
And the nice thing with these are like they are eye-catching. So you might
Yeah,
think, whoa,
very.
neons all together. But when you separate out the neons and you add some neutrals to it, it really kind of tones that down. I love that they have that matte but
Yeah,
facet. I mean,
totally.
they are really
Right.
like, I feel like I need to go to
Yeah,
a
like, woo!
summer is coming. Let's embrace the
Yeah.
neon. I want to wear that with like a nice black dress and just have a
Right.
necklace going along with it. And then we also have here the pinch bead collection. So the pinch bead collection, you're going to get 10 strands of pinch beads. And there's 2 different sizes here of the pinch beads, the 3x5s and the 5x7s that you can work with and play with. A lot of them in neutral tones, great for basic stringing, or you can even go in and do some patterns that call for those pinch beads as well. In addition to that, we have a fun new laser cut kit. And this, I'm going to push over forward here, is 15 different shapes, and they're coming in packs of 2. So we've got some rounds in different shapes that you have there. You can see the clear the clear coating, or sorry, the brown coating there. You can see what the wood looks like. Make sure you take a little needle, take that coating off. It protects it as it burns. So we've got a bunch of rounds here, 3 different round shapes, or 4 different round shapes. We've got the tiny one. Then we have 2 ovals. We have some long rectangles.
I like those.
I know, I do too. A couple teardrop shapes, 3 different sizes of drops. Then we have an octagon with a little hole at the top, your squares, hearts, and almost a little marquee. My like 12-year-old self would be in all the glory right now, taking some nail polish,
Totally,
painting these
right.
up. You can do clear resin on top, or honestly the teardrops with just that wood.
Right.
I think I'm just going to make a pair of
Yeah,
these.
just paint a pair, take some acrylic paint, put it on there.
Yeah, I think I'm going
Yeah.
to keep them, these even keep natural. Put a
Right.
jump ring on them, hang just
Oh,
a small
yeah.
bead right in front of
That'd
them.
be really cute.
Just with the head pin,
Totally.
small bead hanging out. Maybe one of those neon beads even.
Right,
Going in
yeah.
here, getting bright for the
Ooh.
summer. Gonna hang a couple neon beads down, neon bead above. So lots of options when it comes to these laser cut wood forms. And when I was talking about the back of them, you can usually go in with your needle here. It always smells like a campfire when you open
Yep.
this. And you can go underneath and pull up that coating. And usually it'll come on in one full sweep. I'm not going to do it here because this one's going to go in transit and be ready to go. But lots and lots of fun things to be made with these. The last thing we have, I think, is one of the most exciting products of this new product spotlight.
Yep.
So we've done these on the live sale. They did so well. We decided to bring them to the website. So they're almost, they're a grab bag style. And how many things are going to be in here?
You get a pack of 10 in each bag that you get.
And yeah, so you're going to get 10 different styles. Some are tubes, some are in the bags. And when you go to the website, you'll see a number of different ones. These are 3 samplings here. We have beams and some tubelets and some bars and some Cheops and some Amos and all daisy spacers in here. Lots and lots of unique, some tiles in here. This one has some regular Czech glass in it as well, and some drops and some Arcos. Great buys. And when you go to the website, I'm going to show that quick so that way you can see that there are tons and tons of different color options for this. And when you scroll down on the website, you can actually check out all the different pictures and scroll through to see all of the different collections. Every single one is going to be different. and there's going to be different colors. You can always make a little note on your order if you have a specific color, but they are going to be random. It's almost like Christmas, that you get the idea that you're not sure what you're getting, but you know you're getting a great package. And then if you ever have questions that you say, hey, what can I make with all of my strands that came in my Czech grab bags? Go ahead and message us and we'd be happy to help you out. And you can see these are only $29.99 for those 10 tube/bags. Great deal to stock up before we even really do a grab bag sale. This is your chance to get some of these at that $30 and really see what you can make with some of them. This one has like a bunch of super duos in it. Full tubes of really cool super duos in it. So lots of fun to be had with all of these different options that you get from your Czech grab bag collection.
Thank you so much for watching our new product spotlight video. We are so excited to show you next month's as well.
We have so many new things coming into the warehouse now to get on PotomacBeads.com. And I know there's a bunch downstairs too that I was tempted to talk about because they're coming, but they're not there yet on the website. They just arrived this last week, midweek, and we're getting ready to get them on the site. So make sure that if you're not already signed up to receive our emails, do so. You can also subscribe, the little button right here, and that way you don't miss anything from us here at Potomac Beads. If you want any of these products or want to check out what else is new, go ahead below the video, click on the description and the link there, and it'll take you to our What's New page. Thank you so much to Hannah.
Thank you,
And
Allie.
you are very welcome. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more inspirational designs and products from Potomac Beads.